In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mobile mega menus in Elementor. We'll start inside the Elementor editor. Open any page you want to work on so you can build and preview the menu in context. At the top of the editor, switch to the mobile view. This ensures everything you design is optimized for smaller screens from the start, and it helps you make layout decisions that feel natural on phones. Next, look to the left panel and search for the menu widget. Make sure you're selecting the menu widget from Elementor, not the default WordPress menu widget. Drag it onto your page. With the widget selected, its settings will appear on the left. Under the Content tab, you can set or update the menu name. You'll see 3 sample menu items to get you started. You can remove an item by clicking the X icon, duplicate it with the duplicate icon, or add a new one by clicking the Add Item button. Click any menu item to expand its options. Here you can change the title and, if needed, paste or type a URL in the link field to send users to a page. To turn a menu item into a mega menu, enable drop-down content. Do this for each item that should reveal a larger panel. Then open the drop-down effect accordion. Set open on to click for a mobile-friendly experience, and review the remaining options across the content, style, and advanced tabs to fine-tune spacing, colors, and behavior. Now let's build the actual mega menu content. In the live preview, click the drop-down button for your menu item. Click the plus icon and choose a structure. On mobile, this will typically stack into a single column, which is expected. If you later view it on tablet or desktop, it will follow the structure you chose. Click the plus icon inside that structure. Pick a widget from the left panel, like an image, icon list, or button. Then drag and drop it into the mega menu drop-down. Adjust its settings as needed. Repeat this process to add all the widgets you want. Organizing content clearly so it's easy to tap and read on a phone. When you're done adding content, test the experience. Click the main menu item to open and close the drop-down and check how each widget looks and responds. Watch for touch targets, spacing, and readability. If everything looks good, click Update or Publish in the top right corner to save your changes. That's it. Your mobile mega menu is ready, clean, and user-friendly.